Hello, my friends, Dr. Aneeqa here. Today, I want to talk about something that quietly affects nearly every adult over the age of 60: memory loss, forgetfulness, and declining focus. You might have noticed it in your own life or in someone you love. Maybe you walk into a room and completely forget why you went there in the first place, or perhaps you struggle to recall names, constantly misplace your glasses, or find yourself losing track of conversations. For some, it starts slowly, a little bit of confusion here, a moment of hesitation there, but over time it can become frightening. You start to worry if this is just normal aging, or if it could be something more serious, like dementia, Alzheimer's, or permanent cognitive decline. But I want to give you hope, because just as memory can fade, it can also be protected, strengthened, and even rebuilt. And one of the most powerful tools to do this is found in a pill bottle. It is found right on your breakfast table. That's right, breakfast. The first meal of the day doesn't just fuel your body, it feeds your brain. The right foods in the morning can sharpen your thinking, improve blood flow to your brain, reduce inflammation in your nerve tissues, and even spark the growth of new brain cells. Scientists now call this incredible process neurogenesis, the brain's ability to rebuild itself even in our later years. So, in this video, I'm going to reveal three powerful breakfast foods that can boost your memory and recall, improve your clarity and alertness, protect against age related cognitive decline, and support your long term brain health. Before we dive in, please let me know where you're watching from in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and strength tips specifically for seniors. If you're interested in 30 days of brain boosting meal plans, you can find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let's start by understanding why memory tends to decline as we age. After 60, our brains begin to face three major challenges. First, blood flow to the brain can slow down. When circulation weakens, our brain cells receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. This makes our thinking slower and our memory weaker. Second, inflammation starts to affect our nerve cells. This isn't the kind of inflammation you feel as pain, but it silently damages brain tissue over time, contributing to cognitive decline. And third, stress hormones and poor sleep can weaken our neurotransmitters. These are the crucial chemicals responsible for sharp thinking, a good mood, and unwavering focus. Most conventional treatments try to handle these issues separately. You might get one pill for memory, another for sleep, and another for stress. But the truth is, the brain doesn't work in separate pieces. It's a complex, interconnected system. When you nourish it properly, you can help repair all its systems at once. And that's exactly where the right breakfast comes in. By choosing foods that improve circulation, calm inflammation, and fuel your brain cells with the right nutrients, you can take a holistic approach to brain health. So, are you ready to discover the first brain boosting breakfast food? Let's get started. The first food I want to talk about is blueberries. You might know them as a tasty snack, but these little berries are a powerhouse for your brain. They are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, which are fantastic at fighting inflammation and protecting your brain cells from damage. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve communication between brain cells, enhance memory, and delay the onset of age related cognitive decline. They help increase blood flow to the brain, delivering that vital oxygen and those nutrients we talked about. Adding just a handful of blueberries to your morning routine is incredibly easy. You can sprinkle them over your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or mix them into your yogurt. They add a touch of natural sweetness without the need for refined sugar, which is another enemy of brain health. Think of them as tiny guardians for your mind. Now for our second powerful breakfast food, eggs. For years, eggs got a bad rap, but we now know they are one of the best foods you can eat for your brain. Why? Because they are a fantastic source of choline. Choline is a nutrient that your brain uses to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for memory and mood regulation. As we get older, our levels of acetylcholine can decline, which contributes to memory lapses and brain fog. By eating choline-rich foods like eggs, you're giving your brain the raw materials it needs to stay sharp. Plus, eggs are full of high-quality protein and healthy fats, which provide sustained energy for your brain throughout the morning. This helps prevent those energy crashes that can leave you feeling unfocused and mentally tired. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, making eggs a regular part of your breakfast is a simple and delicious way to support your cognitive function. And that brings us to the third and final breakfast food for a sharper mind: walnuts. These nuts actually look a bit like a tiny brain, and it's a fitting resemblance. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called Dela omega-3s are critical for brain health. They are a major component of your brain cell membranes and have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is a key driver of aging and cognitive decline. Research suggests that a diet rich in walnuts can improve cognitive performance, including memory, concentration, and the speed at which you process information. A small handful of walnuts each morning is all you need. You can chop them up and add them to your cereal or yogurt, or simply enjoy them on their own. They provide a satisfying crunch and a wealth of brain protective benefits. So, to recap, our three brain boosting breakfast foods are blueberries, eggs, and walnuts. By incorporating these into your morning meal, you're not just filling your stomach, you're actively nourishing your brain, fighting inflammation, and building a stronger, more resilient memory. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes for your brain health. The journey to a sharper mind can begin tomorrow morning with your breakfast plate. Taking these small, consistent steps can make a huge difference in your quality of life, helping you stay clear, focused, and engaged for years to come. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on staying healthy and strong as you age. For those of you who want a complete 30-day plan, the link to our brain-boosting meal plans is waiting for you in the description box and the pinned comment. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.